Hello everyone, welcome to the Dew. In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft SQL Server step by step. We are going to install the Express edition, which is the free version of SQL Server, so let's get started. First go to your browser and type SQL Server download like this. Make sure you click the link from Microsoft's official site. Once you're on the page, you're gonna scroll down and click this button, download now, under Express. Once it's download, you're gonna open the installer. Now you have to choose yes. You will see these three options: basic, custom, download media. We are gonna get the basic, which is the easiest option, and it installs everything you need to get started. When the installation is finished, you will see this summary window of the installation. You can click on Connect Now. If it says one row is affected, that means it connected successfully, and you can minimize it now. Now we will get to the second part, which is the installation of SSMS. That stands for SQL Server Management Studio. We're gonna click on it. Here you're gonna scroll down the page until you see this: download SSMS 21, which is the newest version. You can open it, click yes, continue. Sorry that this is in my language, but you can just click here and it will do it by itself. Now you can, here you're gonna click everything. You can go install, and now it's installing. Okay, when the installation is finished, now you can search for it in your file. So you're gonna type SQL Server Management, you're gonna see it here. Open file location, and you can bring it to your desktop to see it right here. Now we can start the application. Here, if it's not typed automatically, you need to type here your system PC name. So you're gonna see it here. This is what you need to type here. So for me it's Hapo PC / SQL Express. And here you need to do Trust Server Certificate, and you can click on Connect, and you are fully connected. Alright, that's it for today. In the next videos we will go through the most important SQL concepts for beginners. We will cover things like inserting data, running queries, filtering results, and understanding how SQL actually works. So if you're ready to learn SQL, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.